I think we have a possible red flag because there's a situation going on here in Vegas as everybody heads towards Pitts Road. Everybody trying to get their pit stops done. But something tells me this could lead to a red flag because there are some high winds in the area, so everybody wants to be sure to get their tires done. But hopefully it should be fine. I mean, I don't see like any like wind warning or anything, but still, everybody should be prepared just in case. And there's Chandler Smith, your stage 1 winner, getting his tires done. And he wants to try to get out first, which unfortunately he will not. He'll lose main positions. And he was doing such a good job too. It's okay. Knowing him, he'll be fine. I'm not giving up on Chandler Smith. I'm definitely going to keep my eye on the 81. Hopefully things will be fine.